Today I want to show you how to make chili lime shrimp tacos. It's a one skillet dinner, means it's perfect for a busy weeknight meal. Plus it's got lots of fun, simple garnishes, makes it super delicious. Come on, let's cook. We're gonna start by shredding up some red cabbage. This is gonna be one of the garnishes. You could do this on a box grater, but I like to have slightly bigger pieces of cabbage just for the texture. We're gonna put the cabbage in this handy little mise bowl. If you have it, use a bench scraper to make your job easier and cleaner. Next up, we're gonna add some radishes. Use your bench scraper. We're gonna add this to our bowl. Next, we're gonna add some scallions. Cut off the ends, cut them in half, and I'm just gonna roughly chop these on the bias. Handy bench scraper. Scallions go into the pool. Now we're gonna season this pretty simply with a big pinch of salt, a little olive oil, and this is chili lime shrimp tacos, so we're gonna add some lime zest. Gonna go ahead and give this a stir. Instead of adding lime juice to this, we're gonna hold off adding any acid because that could discolor the cabbage and make it look kind of funky. You're good to go. There you go. Next up, we're gonna make the sauce. This is a sour cream and jalapeno lime crema. So we're gonna take some pickled jalapenos and we're just gonna go in and give these kind of a rough chop. We're looking for about a quarter cup. Add the jalapenos to a small bowl. A little bit more lime zest here. Going with the sour cream. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of the juice from the pickled jalapenos. Pinch of salt. Some chili lime seasoning. Give this a stir. You could take this sauce and add it to the cabbage to make sort of a spicy coleslaw. I like to keep everything separate. I've got young kids that I'm cooking for, so it's good to have everything on its own. Now we're gonna marinate these shrimp. These are large 16-20 shrimp, means that there's about 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. Try to find untreated chemical-free shrimp if you can. A lot of times shrimp get coated in a chemical mixture that, well, it makes them not sear very well and they don't taste that great. Marinade is simple. We're gonna just do a grated garlic. Okay, we're gonna add a big pinch of salt. Some more of this chili lime seasoning. And about a tablespoon of olive oil. Give this all a little stir. Let these sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes. The last thing I want to do before cooking the shrimp, we're going to make some charred corn. It's another yummy garnish for those tacos. I have this ear of corn brushed with a little olive oil. Skillet's getting nice and hot, and we're going to let it char. Show you one of my favorite ways to cook shrimp. It's a little odd, but stick with me. Instead of heating up a skillet, cast iron, non-stick, adding oil, and then the shrimp and searing them off, I'm actually gonna start the shrimp in a cold skillet. I'm using a cast iron skillet here, and we're just gonna add the shrimp. I've tried all sorts of methods for searing shrimp, but this one is my favorite. The idea is that you start it in a cold pan and then you crank the heat. By the time the skillet is nice and hot, first side of the shrimp are seared, then you flip them and take about 15-30 seconds on the other side. hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, like, share, comment, all that fun stuff really helps. But most importantly, keep cooking, especially for the people you love.